In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to your Squarespace website. Buttons are a key element of any website, helping visitors navigate your content, take action, or access important links. Whether you're directing users to another page, encouraging them to sign up, or linking to an external resource, a well-designed button can make all the difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize buttons that look great and function seamlessly. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start building your site today. All right, let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you've already synced your browser to your Google profile, you can use the Continue with Google option for a faster login experience. This is especially handy if you don't want to manually type in your credentials every time. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Click on the one you want to edit. Now that you're inside your chosen website, it's time to move into the configuration section. Navigate to the settings menu and locate the option for website configuration. From here, click on the edit button or the pencil icon to enter edit mode. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be able to make changes directly to your site's layout and design. Once you're in edit mode, look for the option to add a block. You'll usually find this in the toolbar or in a pop-up menu on the screen. Adding blocks is how Squarespace allows you to customize your site piece by piece, so think of this as adding a building block to your page. Select the option to add a button block. This will insert a default button onto your page. Don't worry about how it looks right now. We'll be customizing it in the next step. Now, click on the pencil icon associated with your new button block. This will open up the settings for that button, giving you a range of options to make it your own. The first thing you'll want to do is modify the button label. This is the text that appears on the button itself. So choose something clear and action-oriented, like Learn More, Sign Up, or Contact Us Next. Adjust the button style and color to match the overall design of your website. Squarespace offers a variety of style presets, and you can tweak the colors to fit your brand's aesthetic. Finally, define what the button will do when clicked. You can link it to an internal page, such as your About or Services page, or to an external website. For example, if you're linking to your social media or an external storefront, this is where you'd set that up. A well-designed button is not just about looks, it's about enhancing both functionality and the overall user experience. So take your time here. Once you've customized your button, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save or Publish option in the editing menu and click it. This step ensures that your new button is live and visible on your website. Without saving, all your hard work will stay in draft mode, so don't skip this step. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a button on your Squarespace website. Buttons are a small but powerful tool for improving navigation and encouraging user engagement. And now you know exactly how to make them work for you. If you have any questions or run into issues while following this tutorial, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.